Hello. Today I am going to talk about the very interesting topic which is mainly happening among the DBAs. Nowadays a trending technology which is called it as a Hadoop or big data. So first of all I would like to tell you the difference between the Hadoop and big data. There are many confusions which is happening when we are new to this technology. So just want to clarify over the things that Hadoop and big data, I don't think so there is some difference or there is some relation in between these two things. So just to elaborate these things, I can tell you here that big data is a problem. So here you can see there are many times we have a large amount of data. Let's talk about the Facebook. There are many peoples around the globe, they are posting their images, pictures, video, audio, everything over there. So because of that only you can see the large amount of data is there, and now it is a time where we need to analyze this kind of the data. So how we are going to analyze this kind of data? By using the Hadoop technology. Now just to elaborate more things, what is the difference between Oracle DBA and the Hadoop? Basically, Oracle DBA is mainly responsible for the real-time data. To understand these things, what I will just take one example. Let's say we have one bank over here. I'm just calling it as SBI Bank. So one of the customer is coming and he is doing some kind of the transaction over there. Now, if he is saying that I want to create some account, so all those data which are related to his, like first name, last name, will be the part of this SBI Bank database. So this is happening in the real time. So if thousands of people are coming to the bank and they are connecting to this database, so all those data will be the part of this Oracle database. This is all happening for the Oracle DBA. Now if you want to withdraw some amount or transfer some amount from one bank to another bank, this is happening in the real time. And being Oracle DBA, we need to make sure that our database is always up and running. There should not be any performance issue, so that all the transaction will go in a smoothly manner. Now what Hadoop developer will do? Basically a Hadoop developer will not work on the real-time data. They are mainly working on the analysis of the data. So let's say we have our huge amount of data in this Oracle database. Now I want to check how many transactions has been happened in the last 2 weeks, so that I can come to know about the number of transactions, or you can do some kind of analysis on those data. How many transactions has been, like it's a fraud transaction. So you can detect all those things with the help of Hadoop. So basically we are mainly working on this data, Hadoop analysis. So the basic difference I can say over here, that in Oracle DBA we are mainly working on the real-time data and real-time world, and Hadoop is the technology which is mainly useful to analyze this kind of data. So again, the next thing over here is it the right time to move the career from the Oracle DBA to Hadoop? I would say yes. When I was working on both the technology Hadoop and Oracle DBA, I can see there are more opportunities which are coming for the Hadoop, because the data which are coming to the Hadoop is not only the structural kind of data. Let's talk about the Oracle. In Oracle, what is happening? We are storing our data in the forms of tables. So all the data is like a structural kind of data, where we can see all this data as a part of table only. But in terms of Hadoop, what is happening? Hadoop analyze the data which are structural as well as non-structural data. Now what is mean by structural and non-structural? Structural data means the data which can be stored in the form of tables, And the non-structural data means just like our JSON file, log files, these are all coming under the non-structural data. Even your audio, video, everything will be the part of non-structural data. So all those data can be analyzed with the help of Hadoop. So because of that only I can see there are a lot of opportunities which are coming in the Hadoop technology. Now why the Oracle DBA guys should be, or you can say if they are having the, I'm not saying that Oracle DBA don't have the much opportunity. Yes, Oracle DBA is also having the more opportunity, but when we compare in between the opportunities in between the Oracle DBA and the Hadoop, I can see more opportunities are coming for the Hadoop. Next thing is it easy to move from Oracle DBA career to the Hadoop technology? Yes, it's really I can say you guys like it's very easy for you to move the career from the Oracle DBA to the Hadoop technology. And the reason behind is because most of the things we are more aware. Being Oracle DBA, we are mainly working on the servers, and the same things we are also working in the as a part of Hadoop developer or Hadoop admin. So because since we have the basic understanding of about the servers, you can it's very easy for us to move the career from one technology to another technology. I mean to say from Oracle DBA to the Hadoop. Other things is there are many terminologies which are really same in between these two technologies. Now let's talk about the Hadoop ecosystem. Hadoop ecosystem contain the Hive is there, one of the programming language. So first of all, let's talk about the Hive. Hive is a part of Hadoop ecosystem which is really similar for the SQL. So being Oracle DBA, we have the idea about SQL. So because of that only it is very easy for us to understand the Hadoop ecosystem, especially to the Hive. Now in order to analyze the data, Spark and Scala, this is the technology, or we can say the programming language. If you know the shell scripting, if you have the basic understanding of some programming language, then it is really easy for you guys to move the career from the Oracle DBA to the Hadoop ecosystem. Why the Hive is the important? Because if you talk about the Hive, you will find Hive is mainly working like a SQL part, which is like insert, update, delete. All those commands are the part of Hive only. So since we have the basic understanding of Oracle, we know this SQL part. Because of that only it is very easy for us to learn this Hive. Spark is a programming language. If you have the basic understanding of any programming language, you can be really good in the Spark. Next thing is if you have basic understanding of Java also, then also it is fine. Actually this Hadoop is coming under two parts: Hadoop developer and the Hadoop admin. Hadoop developer, what they will do, since the terminology will say in development part where you need to work on the Spark, this is mostly demanding technology in the Hadoop now, because whenever you are going to the Hadoop development, they will be asking the question based on Spark, Hive. So Spark is one challenge which is for the Oracle DBA, but if you have the good knowledge or little bit knowledge about the programming language, then it is really easy for you to go ahead for the Spark. Hadoop admin is just like similar to the Oracle DBA. By Oracle DBA, what we are doing, we are mainly responsible for the Oracle database health check. We need to check whether our database is up and running, about the packages, patches, everything. So same thing we are also doing as a part of Hadoop admin. In Hadoop admin, we are checking whether the cluster is up and running, how is the health check, how is the health of the Hadoop cluster. So these are all things which are coming under the Hadoop admin, and there are many tools which are mainly responsible and doing the health check of the Hadoop admin. So Cloudera and Hortonworks, these are the two companies which are providing these two tools to monitor those Hadoop cluster. So this is all about to move the career from the Oracle DBA to the Hadoop developer or a Hadoop admin. So at last, what I will say, the most of the technologies and most of the things from the Oracle DBA to the Hadoop are almost same. There are some enhancement are there as a part of Hadoop, but that can be achieved if you have the good understanding and good ability to learn the things. So Oracle DBA, which is really a good platform to learn the technology, but if you are looking for the best, Hadoop is the perfect one at this point. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye for the day.